friends, welcome back. Today I am gonna be trying out a product that I've never tried before. I am trying the Revolution. I have never used this brand before. I have never had color in my hair. This is actually my first time bleaching my hair, so this will be my first time getting color in my hair. That's why I picked a hair makeup, because I'm not brave enough to put color in my hair yet. So this will be a trial. I never knew that hair makeup was a thing, and I'm glad it is, because if this is a success, I am totally gonna keep using these guys. These come in like this little black pot. It says here that it washes out, it's cruelty free, and it is vegan. And here I have the neon hair makeup. It's in the color Zaptastic green. I chose it because green is my favorite color. I think you already know that. I have my accoutrements. I have some gloves, obviously the hair makeup, and I have a mirror here with me. This already has a moisturizing quality to it. So it says here that I should apply it on clean, dry hair. Start with a little bit and then add some more as I go. I'm gonna get started. I do have a bit of makeup on my hair. I think I can wipe that off. Got my wipes. I'm just going to take off the makeup that's on my hair, because when I do my makeup, I like to just stick it in there. For some reason it makes it, I don't know if it does, but I think it makes it look better, because I feel like I'm just lazy. Obviously, the hat needs to come off. Am I a magician? Definitely got hat hair. But I washed my hair last night. It's clean. My hands are washed, but I'm going to use some gloves just to protect my hands. It says you should put it on dry hair. I'm gonna do that. I have checked this out before and it just makes me so happy. Look at that color. Oh my gosh. Ah! I got it. Didn't mess up. It did not mess up. I guess we might as well get started. I'm gonna start in the back because it's just a lot easier that way. You see anything? Not yet anyway. Oh my gosh. This is so bright. I love it. You just have to try and saturate the hair as much as possible. I'm just gonna, look at that. Oh. The consistency is pretty nice. It's not too thick. It smells divine. Oh my gosh. I don't know how I got to the front so quickly when I still have patches to do in the back. I'm just like spreading it everywhere. This is the beauty of short hair. You don't really have to section anything out. Just whack it on. This is amazing. I feel like this is how I've always imagined myself to look. Blue lips, green hair. The eyes can change. I think I'm gonna use the whole pot because my hair is pretty thick. The great thing about this product is that it washes out, so it's not permanent. Ah! I really should pay attention as I do this. Okay, it's very simple to wipe off. What I do in order to maintain my curls, I do this with my hands. Some people use a sponge or a towel. I find hands work just as well. Great product. You don't have to mix anything. You don't have to add anything. You don't have to even put it on wet hair. It is easily washable. You can just get in the shower and wash it just like as you would when you're shampooing your hair. This is a temporary color. If you want to keep it, you can, but it will start to fade after a few days, I imagine. I'm gonna try my best to keep it for as long as I can, and then we can properly test out to see how long it lasts. It's sort of started to flake. It's definitely coming off my hands, and when I do this, I don't know if you can see that, it's a shower of green flakes, and my hair it feels nice. It's not dry, at least the product is moisturizing, but it's all just coming off, like it's in my fingernails. So it's definitely a one-day hairstyle. I think it would be great for like if you're going out, or if you're at an event, or like a Halloween costume, that kind of thing. But I slept on it without covering it because I wanted to see what happens if I just sleep on it. Sorry about the plane. It doesn't come off with your pillow, but it does sort of stain your skin. So this morning when I was washing my face, when I used the wipe, I had green residue on it. So there's that. But as a one-day thing, it's great. I say get it.
Awesome. Good job, baby. You did it.
Ah!
You done?
Yeah.
Good job.
Down, down, down. There.
What? Just there?
Yeah.
And then just spread it around?
Yeah. Lower too.